Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is the shifter I got for the truck. I purchased it used. New ones were going for $300 or $400, and I only gave $100 for it. But it didn't come with the shift knob. I had to buy that, and it didn't come with the park neutral safety switch. And so those are the two things I had to get. Now, I didn't have the park neutral safety switch on the Mustang one time, and I actually had it in reverse, and I went to start it and the car went backwards. Thank God nobody was behind it. And one day I was in the tech inspection and the guy asked me to start the car up, and I did. And he says, okay, now put it in gear, and I did. And he says, start the car up, and it did. And he got mad at me and told me, well, the next time they come back through tech, I better have that fixed. So it was a little bit of a learning curve. Anyway, I had to get this shifter because it's the only two-speed one that I could find. The Power Glide is just 2 speeds, but it works good. Yeah, kind of gonna need 2 hands, I guess. The shifter works good. It does everything I want it to do. So, for being cheap, it was a pretty good deal. Now it's just a matter of getting it installed. Well, thanks for watching. Okay, this is day 2 of the shifter. I made the hole in the floorboard and run the cable down to the transmission. So that's connected, but as you can see, the shifter's too far down from me. So I'm going to have to raise the shifter up some and back and make a stand for it. Now, they sell stands, but unfortunately, you know, 50 bucks, whatever. So I'm going to make my own. I'll show you what I'm doing. Well, I managed to finish up the bracket for the shifter. I'll go ahead and install it and let you see what that looks like. It's not the prettiest thing, but should work. Between working on the truck and working on the PT out there, it's been a pretty busy day. So let's see if it works. So this is it in a nutshell. Sitting next to the seat there. It's pretty easy to sit all the way back, pretty easy to grab, you know. So should work out good. Looks like what I did is kind of right. I don't know, like I said, the brackets I seen online were like 50 and 60 bucks. So this is just some scrap metal I had laying around. That's what I made it out of. Looks like it's gonna work okay. So, alright, thanks for watching.